Kia ora. In this STAT193 video, you'll learn to use your graphics calculator to calculate small sample confidence intervals for the mean. Concerns about swine flu and other infectious diseases have raised issues about hand washing practices. Data on the number of bacteria remaining on the hands of hospital staff after a 15-second hand wash was collected. The mean was 63.375, the sample standard deviation 53.109, and the number in the sample was 8. In this problem, we want to construct a 95% confidence interval for the mean number of bacteria left on the hands after a 15-second hand wash. To do this, we go into the stat option of the main menu. We click on F4 for interval, and we've got the choice between Z and T. We look to our sample size, and because it is less than 30, we're not able to use Z, and instead we consider it to be a small sample. Now, assuming that it comes from a normally distributed population, we can use T, F2. It's a confidence interval for the mean, so we select 1S, F1. We check that data is on variable, and if not, we can change it using F2. For the confidence level, we enter 0.95 for the 95% confidence interval. We enter the sample mean and standard deviation. And our sample size of 8. We execute that, and that gives us the left and right bounds of our confidence interval. It also shows us the sample mean and sample standard deviation, as well as the sample size that we entered in order to construct this confidence interval. It allows us to just double check against the numbers in the problem. The way we report this confidence interval is that the 95% confidence interval for the mean goes from 18.97 to 107.78. This is just taking the left bound and the right bound up here, rounding each to 2 decimal places, and putting it within brackets with a comma in the middle.